E aku nui aku rahi tēnei ka mihi. COVID-19 continues to impact on our lives, whānau. As of midnight last night, Aotearoa went into a lockdown with Tamaki Makaurau going into a level 3 lockdown and the rest of Aotearoa going into a level 2 lockdown. This āhuatanga is not new to us and we will get through it again, and that is about keeping together as a whānau and making sure that we comply with the conditions of the level that we have been locked down in. Today I'm going to share with you a brief update about what we are doing as Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei and as a group. The Trust Office, Whaimaia and Whairawa offices are closed, with some staff continuing to work but with most of them working from home. We will keep essential services operating and there will be staff on site to ensure that they continue. I really want to acknowledge again our amazing kaimahi who continually go out of their way to support and react and adapt to the changing conditions that we continue to go through with COVID-19. In activating the level 3 protocols or tikanga, the marae is closed until further notice. This also includes Atareta Street and our Eastcliff Retirement Village, and we will have our kaitiaki services operating security and to ensure that only essential services and those that need to go in to Atareta Street and Eastcliff are approved. A number of events and blessings have been deferred or cancelled. We will wait until Wednesday to hear the update from the government to understand whether we will remain in this lockdown or whether we will move to level 2. We will keep you posted, whānau, with our communications. Ōrākei Health is available to do testing for those who present with flu-like or respiratory symptoms. Please contact Ōrākei Health Services if you are feeling any of the symptoms of COVID-19 and they will ensure that you are seen as quickly as possible. Whānau, in the event of a tangihana, please refer to the level 3 guidelines on the Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei website and also understand that our marae is closed. Our communication lines are open, whānau. If you have any pātai or any concerns, please pick up the phone and call our dedicated Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei call centre on 058 696 72534 or send an email to info@nwo.iwi.nz. Kia haumaru te noho e te whānau. If you are sick, please seek consultation from your doctor. For further information regarding COVID-19, please refer to the Ministry of Health website and the official COVID-19 website, and keep an eye on our Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei website for regular updates. Keep safe, keep well, and don't forget to scan using your COVID-19 app if you are out and about. We will continue to monitor the situation and we will be in touch with you all soon. Kia u, kia maia, te aki nā te pāhara keke, te aki ngā te whānau, ngā manaakitanga nui kia koutou katoa. Kia ora whānau.